I'm Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. Today we're going to show you how versatile a boneless butterflied leg of lamb is and how easy it is to cook. The first thing I'm going to do is score the lamb. This ensures maximum penetration of all the flavours during the cooking process. Now on my rosemary brush, I've got it in some olive oil and I'll give it a nice basting. I'll liberally add some sea salt. This will ensure I get a nice crust on my lamb, followed by some cracked black pepper. A nice sprinkle sumac over my leg. Finally, some fresh lemon straight over the top. It's important to get your pan nice and hot for a good sear. The first thing we'll do is we'll add some olive oil for our rosemary brush, and then we'll place our lamb skin side down. I'll turn that lamb over and repeat the process. Now we'll remove the leg and put it straight onto our gastro tray. So now we've got our leg of lamb ready to go in the oven. I'm going to cook it at a lower temperature, about 160 degrees Celsius. Why? Because I want to increase yields, I want to get a tender result, and I want to get maximum flavour out of that cut of meat. So now I'm going to get my probe and I'm going to put it in the thickest part of the meat. So to accompany my leg of lamb, I'm going to make a chermoula. A chermoula is an exotic mix of fragrant spices and herbs and adds an instant kick to finish off our lamb roast. So we've got our parsley, coriander, fresh chilli, some cumin, touch of cinnamon, fresh ground garlic, paprika, sea salt, fresh lemon. Squeeze straight in, combined with olive oil. So we just want to add just enough oil so it all binds together. You can blend this if you like. Today I'm just going to add it nice and rustic. I've taken my leg of lamb out of the oven and now I'm going to rest it for half the amount of cooking time. So we've rested this lamb and now we've carved it and all those juices have redistributed to give a wonderful ending product. Our wonderful chermoula, I'm just going to place it onto our lamb just prior to service. And there you have it, our wonderful roasted butterflied leg of lamb.